Everybody, Adam here with another item for sale. This is a Zodiac International dinghy inflatable raft, and it's never been in the water. It's in really good condition. I wanted to take this video because there are a couple spots that need to be addressed. The transom here is coming unglued in the back. This is going to need some repair. That's from years of being in the bag and never going in the water. As you can see, it's in great shape. It's got the wood slats going across the back, bottom rather, and the transom here. Oh, it's in good shape. They said there is some gluing. It's going to have to be done, some re-gluing, but very minor. Zodiac International. There's the manufacture date right there. Looks like it's a 92. Brand new. Never used. See how the paddles lock in down there. You just take this out and then the paddle comes out. That locks it right back in place. Like so. You get the 2 oars. We have a patch kit here. It's got patches in there, instructions, adhesive. You got your double quick blow up pump and the carrying bag. That's everything. This is the boat that they make all the imitation ones after. You go on eBay and you look up inflatable boats and you put in Zodiac, you see the Zodiac style boat. But this is the real deal, made by Zodiac International. Alright, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.